In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer on Wix website if you're streamlining your design or you simply don't need site-wide information at the bottom of your pages. Removing the footer is quick and straightforward. A footer is the section that appears at the very bottom of your site, often used for contact details, social icons, and legal links. Before you delete it, think about anything you might still need, like a privacy policy or terms link, so you can relocate those elsewhere later. Once you're in the Wix editor and looking at the page you want to adjust, head to the very bottom of the canvas. Scroll all the way down until you see the footer area. It's typically labeled footer in the editor and may have a distinct outline to show it's a dedicated site section. If you have multiple strips on your page, keep scrolling until you reach the true bottom. The footer won't move beneath anything else. Next, click directly on the footer section to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlighted frame or a label indicating you're working with the footer. This selection step matters because it ensures you're editing the section itself, not just an element sitting inside it, like a text box or button. With the footer selected, perform a right click to open the context menu. On a trackpad, that's usually a 2-finger click, and on some devices, it's a secondary click setting you can enable in your system preferences. If the menu doesn't appear, try clicking the footer's edge first to confirm it's selected, then right-click again. From the context menu, choose Delete. If Wix asks you to confirm, go ahead and accept. The footer section will be removed from the page, and your content will shift up to fill the space. If you change your mind, you can use the undo shortcut to bring it back right away. Keep in mind that depending on your template and how the site is structured, removing the footer may affect multiple pages. On many Wix sites, the footer is a global section, so once it's gone everywhere. On others, you might need to repeat this on specific pages. That's it. You've removed the footer from your Wix site quickly and cleanly. Afterward, take a quick pass through your pages to ensure important links or details didn't disappear entirely. You can always add them back into your header or a section near the bottom of key pages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.